Okay guys, welcome to beautiful Hanoi, Vietnam. In this video we're going to talk about this lake right in the middle of the city and all the things there is to do there day and night. This is quite a large lake. It has walking trails and roads and sidewalks all the way around the lake. It is quite the walk, but tons of stuff to see. People selling food, there's artists, there's people out doing photo shoots, tons of restaurants around there. At night they close down parts of the road. Sometimes I think on the weekends as well they close the roads to traffic. And without traffic, yeah, imagine that. And people just enjoy the roads. Lots of stuff going on there. Like I said, tons of restaurants around there. Amazing amount of food. We stopped and had a burger by the lake. The best burger I have ever eaten in Asia. Hands down, it was unbelievable. Now I have to say, all my information is from before the pandemic. Hopefully, once this craziness is all over, it'll go back to being busy, being popular, and lots of stuff to see and do. There's lots of people selling knick-knack things. There's markets, street performers, all kinds of stuff going on there. But during the day is when I liked it the best. The weather was beautiful, and just walking around the lake, just enjoying nature in the city. Nature in the middle of a crazy concrete jungle that is Hanoi. Let's get to the video and see everything, and you can judge for yourself if this is somewhere you want to visit. If you're in Hanoi, you should go check it out at least once. What a beautiful place. Look at the tree touching the water. Really, really nice. This is. It's like an oasis in the middle of the concrete jungle. See if again the trees right there touching the water. Very, very cool. No boats? There's something over there. Is that boat? This lake goes down to those buildings down here. Cool little island in the middle. I'm sure that has some history behind it by the look of it. Very nice though, huh? This is a Saturday, so lots of families out, lots of kids. Baby tilapia, lots of them too. I just scared them away.
That was a little after Lincoln. A little bit after Lincoln.
Nice.
Oh, 1880. Yes. Yes.
Very, very nice. Feeding bread to the fishes. It's o'clock. cool, huh? Okay, somebody got married. And here we got some graduates. Wow. There's photo shoots going on everywhere here. Plums. That's a very unusual fruit for this part of the world. I don't know where they come from. Very, very well maintained, huh? Look at all the flowers. Night market. Look at all the people. They're everywhere. It's like a anthill. Grandma can do it. Playing a game with rocks. No idea what it is. It is busy. Look at this. Madness. It's like the intermission, the intersection between the markets. Keeps going that way. Look at all the people. Oh, we got meat on a stick. It's a little hot. 4 cart of fire extinguishers. Ooh. Hot dog. Sugarcane juice. Oh, that smells nice too. Never ends. How long is this thing?